Hello guys, in my first video we spoke about how to edit images for use in presentations. Now one report in your life that you might need to prepare is called a planning application, which is normally given by your local authority. It is a legal document that allows you to build. Now you can apply for it yourself, or else if you are not in that position, you can appoint a consultant to do it for you. One thing that you need to know is the different types of planning applications. Now the different types of planning applications could include something like building residential buildings or commercial buildings, or else you could say altering an existing building or extending an existing building, or else you might be changing the use of a building. Now, how you apply for this planning application is you either do it online, whereas you complete a form online and then attach the plans that describe your proposals. These plans should be from your architect or your engineer. Next, you attach an ordnance survey map which describes the boundaries and sections. And then the next thing could be your impact statement, as well as your access statement, as well as any previous evidence of similar permissions in your area. Now once done, you should note that it's a lot easier to do this online because you don't need to print off and attach many documents to accompany this planning application. Now once you have made your application, you have to note that there is normally an 8-week waiting period during which you can continue with your life, and over that period you should definitely get a call from a planning officer who will discuss the proposal with you on site and ask for either amendments to the plans, and then present that application before the cabinet or the council for a decision. Now a decision will be made, obviously, and you can either appeal that decision or accept the decision depending on the outcome. Now, before you start building or demolishing your existing building to extend or alter it, you need to know that you can't do that immediately. You must appoint building control. These are people who could either be private or local authority, depending on your local requirements. They need to come and inspect your building at key stages and give you a final certificate at the end of the project. Now this certificate is very important because you need it the next time you are going to sell your building, or the next time you might decide to rent out or do anything else to the building. So take care, and I hope this video was quite informative. Obviously I will be putting in a lot more content over the next few days. Subscribe, also leave your comments, and we'll talk soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.